Hey, what's up, guys? I got 2 redemptions. I forgot what I sent in, so I'm not sure what this is gonna be. Let's see. Jorge Garbosa for the Raptors. I don't know. I think it was a replacement. I was reading the note and I believe it said that. But let's see what's in this one. Clay Buchholz, auto rookie. That's nice. I actually remember sending this one in. So those 2 are for trade. See ya.